Hello and welcome to the wildlife quiz of the week. Today's quiz will consist of 8 questions of varying difficulty. Some of them are multiple choice, some of them are true or false, and there are a couple where you've just got to get the answer right. Come on, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of these birds of prey is the rarest in the UK? Is it A, the goshawk, B, the golden eagle, or C, the peregrine falcon? Question number 2. True or false? Unlike species like the sea trout and the salmon, the chub migrates away from freshwater to breed in the sea. Question number 3. How many species of bee are there in the UK? Is it A, 17, B, 58, or C, 270? Question number 4. True or false? The polecat is the wild descendant of the domestic ferret. Question number 5. Feather of the week. Can you identify which bird this feather used to belong to? Question number 6. Which of these species is the only bird in the UK that can walk headfirst down tree trunks? Is it A, the great spotted woodpecker, B, the tree creeper, or C, the nuthatch? Question number 7. True or false? Out of the 3 native species of snake here in the UK, the grass snake is the only one that lays eggs. Question number 8. What species is this animal? Okay, so that's all 8 questions. Now you can either pause this video here and comment your answers down below, or bear with me for about 5 seconds before I reveal whether you've got them right or not. What a beautiful place. It's time for the answers. In the UK, there are approximately 1,340 goshawk, 1,020 golden eagles, and 3,500 peregrine falcons. So the correct answer to question 1 is B. The golden eagle is the rarest of these 3 birds of prey. Chub are one of our most common freshwater fish, and they do migrate to breed. However, this is usually to faster flowing water over gravel beds, so the answer to question 2 is false. They do not head to the sea to reproduce. If you took part in last week's quiz, you may have gone for one of the lower answers to question 3, but the correct answer is C. There are around 270 species of bee in the UK. Most of these are solitary bees, whilst only around 20 species live in the colonies that we're more familiar with. The correct answer to question 4 is true. The polecat is the wild ancestor of the domestic ferret. The 2 animals can still breed with one another, with wild polecats sometimes showing domestic ferret features, like lighter fur and different colorations. You may have guessed that this feather comes from a bird that is mostly blue, but it is actually a feather from the bright blue wing patch of a jay. These are colourful members of the crow family and are a fairly common sight around woodlands, parks and gardens. Although great spotted woodpeckers and tree creepers are both agile climbers and will often climb up tree trunks, only the nuthatch is capable of climbing down them head first, so the correct answer to question 6 is C. In the UK, the weather is often not warm enough for long enough for reptile eggs to hatch, so several species have adapted by producing already developed live young. This includes the adder and the smooth snake, but not the grass snake. They instead use the heat generated from decomposing materials to keep their eggs warm. This means the correct answer to question 7 is true. Grass snakes are the only native snake that lays eggs. Well done if you managed to correctly identify this animal. It is a male roe deer. This can be identified by its lack of tail, its short antlers, and its white oval rump patch. So that is the end of today's quiz. Let me know how you did in the comments down below, and I will, as always, get back to every single one of you. Thanks for taking part, and hopefully I'll see you next time.